Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make almond thumbprint cookies with guava jelly. Combine all the dry ingredients, oats, almond flour, baking powder, and salt in a mixing bowl. Combine the wet ingredients, maple syrup, oil, almond extract, separately in a smaller bowl. Add the wet to the dry and mix well to form a ball. Cover and chill for 10 minutes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Form into small balls about 2 tablespoons and press to indent in the middle. Add guava jelly and bake about 14 minutes or until browned on the edges. Cool on the pan to firm up. For this recipe and more, please visit kta superstores.com/recipes.